Guys, major update. Now, as you know, pinagbawalan ako magsalita about sa case na to kasi nga, ayun, na-forward ko ng mga documents and everything that I know to the proper people who will be able to use the information that I have. However, dito sa County of Los Angeles, lumabas na ang result ng Coroner's Office sa death ni Paulo Tantoco na makikita nyo doon. If you go to search for the case number 2025-04377, makikita nyo ang cause of death ni Paulo Tantoco, which is effects of cocaine with underlying conditions of cardiovascular disease. So basically what triggered that is the effects of cocaine. Now this is a major update, you guys. So that only proves na ang cause ng kamatayan ni Paulo Tantoco is cocaine. Now everything is going to unfold. Relax lang tayo, relax lang talaga tayo. Let's trust the process. Let's trust BP Sara. Everything will unfold on its own. God save